Looking for the best ERP software for your business, but confused between Odoo and ERPNext? So this video is perfect because we are going to compare. And by the way, you're not alone. So both are powerful open source platform, but they are built differently, priced differently, and offer very different user experience. In this video, I will compare Odoo versus ERPNext across 7 key features. Let's get started with quick overview. Odoo is very powerful modular ERP system. It has over 60 business apps like CRM, accounting, inventory, HR, manufacturing, and more, which you can find it over your screen. Actually, there's more, yeah. It's available as a free open source version and also as a paid cloud version called Odoo Online. ERP Next, on the other hand, is 100% open source ERP system built with a small and mid-sized businesses in mind. It includes core apps like accounting, manufacturing, CRM, projects, education, and everything is deeply integrated by default. So while Odoo offers more app, ERP focus on depth and simplicity. I mean, if you have used Notion, then you will find ERP next exactly the Notion. I mean the UI, the feel. Now let's talk about the ease of use. Odoo, let me just show you. Let's go and click on try it for free. So here you can see these are the applications and Odoo UI is clean, modern and app store like. So for example, let's take an example. This is a CRM. So if I just go and click on it, and this is the exactly CRM which you will find it here. This is CRM, sales, reporting, and you will find a lot more information. However, it has a steeper learning curve for beginners, especially when you start adding modules with dependencies. ERP Next has a flatter, consistent interface. It's more structured and feel like working in a Google Workspace or traditional accounting software, which is really easy to see. And navigation is logical, but the UI may feel less polished compared to Odoo. Odoo wins on visual appeal, ERP Next wins on consistency and simplicity for beginner. Now let's check about the features. So if you just go and check about the features here, so Odoo has more than 60 official apps covering every aspect of a business operation. Some key one included CRM, and here you can see invoice and accounting, e-commerce, inventory, manufacturing, project and field, studio, and a lot. On the other hand, ERP has accounting and inventory, payroll and HR, CRM, projects, and manufacturing, education, health and agriculture modules. But ERP Next approaches give you everything fully integrated from start. No need to install any kind of apps or no need to navigate. So you can find it everything on the left hand side. On the other hand side, you have to install the apps, right? Now both platforms are open source, which is mean customization is possible. Odoo offers a module called Odoo Studio, and in the paid version, it's a drag and drop builder to customize fields, forms, and workflow. Advanced users and developers can create custom modules using Python. ERP Next use Frappe in a framework, which is developer friendly and also has a low code builder for workflow, custom fields, and form. So the verdict is ERP Next offer more flexibility out of the box if you are self-hosting. Odoo is easier to customize visually if you are on the paid plan. Odoo has a huge community and third-party app store. And you will find thousands of custom modules from shipping integration to payment gateways and e-commerce platforms. ERP Next is catching up and it integrates well with platforms like Shopify, Razorpay, WooCommerce, and Google Calendar. But the external ecosystem is still smaller compared to Odoo. Now here Odoo wins, obviously, for the plugin variety, right? In the accounting, you will find ERP Next wins for tightly built-in modules. So let's break down the pricing for now. So if we just check about the pricing, Odoo is free and open source but lacks some features like Studio, View IP, and advanced reporting. Odoo Online is paid, pricing is per user, per month, per extra for every app, right? And ERP is 100% free and self-hosting. Cloud hosting by Frappe costs around $10 to $15 a month depending on plan. And the verdict is basically ERP Next wins for cost-conscious business. Odoo can get expensive quickly, especially with more users. So it's up to your choice. So Odoo has a much larger commercial backing and official support plans. So if you go with Odoo Online, support is reliable but paid. ERP Next has an official support through Frappe and an active open source community on forum and GitHub. However, it may take longer to get answers unless you are paying for managed service. Odoo wins here and ERP wins for open source community. Right, now here's the bottom line. So choose Odoo if you want an open open app store like experience. You're scaling fast, you need specific features for example e-commerce, VIP, and marketing. You're okay paying for premium support, and choose ERP next if you want something free, powerful, deeply integrated. You have in-house steps. You want transparency and full control over data. You are in education, healthcare, manufacturing with custom needs. Both tools are powerful. It really depends on your business size, budget, and tech capabilities. This is it. I hope I gave you a good detailed video on it, and if you found this video very useful, subscribe.